Hey guys, it's Jessica from Overlook Graphics. Since we've been receiving a lot of emails regarding more content on how we produce our stuff and how to install them, we are making our first weekly vlog, starting with how we process our graphics for certain designs on our website. So for this week's video, we're going to focus on our most popular flags, which includes the 4Runner 5th Gen, American flag with and without the thin blue line. Product link is provided below. After we got all the flags weeded, I'm going to insert the thin blue line. We have multiple flags in different sizes to add these blue lines on, so I'm just going to trim the blue line to the flag that needs it. In this case, we have orders for the 4Runner 5th Gen American flag decal and the FJ Cruiser American flag. Oh no! Wow! Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you guys want to stay up to date for when we post our weekly vlogs. Hit the like button below and let us know what you guys liked and disliked and comment what we should do next. So let's get to it. Alright guys, this will be the end of this vlog. Up next, we're going to show you guys how we process our die cut magnets. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Please subscribe, comment, and like. And our next video will be up soon.